I literally did figure it out. So here's a screenshot that I took on my Linux computer. How to set up Samba. Let's close that out. So, I watched this guy's video here, and it helped me. He explained it a little bit more clearly, and one of the things that he showed that was really important to me was he talked about this part right here.
X. Now type here sudo service. Now from here you have to change the username to your username. In my case, vserver. Then the folder name, which is shared in my case. Now you can keep it read only, no top. And from here you have to change the name whatever you create the folder as.
See, that was another problem. I didn't change that.
You can keep this comment. Now from here you have to change the username to your username. In my case, vserver. Then the folder name, which is shared in my case.
SS Tech Tutorials. Yeah. He explains it to where you're going to figure it out, which is awesome. Let's go back to his video, though.
Account.
Nope, wrong one. Okay.
Now you can keep it read only, no, and browsable yes.
So
press O, enter, and Control
that
X.
was another thing too. Control O, Control X. I didn't know about that, and I was trying to figure that part out.
Now type here sudo service.
No, I already did this last time, and so it was still good.
Then press enter. And after starting the SAMBA.
So, basically, where are we at? Okay, so I got all this different stuff here. So now I can see that this folder is here. But what he had me do was he had me go map the network drive, and then I typed the IP address plus the folder. So, what is it? // 192.168.0.20 / share, and then I click browse, and then I signed into it. After you do that, you sign into it, and enter your password. And so now I guess it's over here now, but that folder isn't where I want it to be, and also for some reason both my two big huge drives in the server no longer have anything on them according to Linux. Like, they've been absolutely wiped. So we're talking like, you know, all the music that I actually have on this one was already on that one. They don't show to be there anymore. Now, what I need to do now is figure out how to move my share folder onto one of those other drives. The problem is that over here in the server, we're using the share folder. I tried to use I made a folder called Music Share, and it said the name was too long. It wouldn't take it. So I don't know. I got a couple of errors by doing that, but the issue here is, let me see. When I come in here and I go into my disks, we have the 4 terabyte. There's nothing on them. It shows it as a DDF RAID member, both of them. And also, I can't seem to do anything with them. I don't know what to do at this point. But now I do understand how to do Samba, but it is really kind of confusing. So anyway, I'm glad I kind of got it, and I might bumble through it again. That's why I subscribe to that guy's channel. I'm gonna bookmark his video. The other people told me how to do it a similar way, but slightly different. The Theo guy's video was just a little bit different in how they wanted to do it. But so whatever I put in that folder there, and also I can watch this. I can go in here. Let me grab my music. Let's just try this just for the hell of it. We'll go We'll just pick like a simple. We'll grab bush. Okay, copy up. Where are we at? I'm going to paste that in here. Okay. So we're copying this. And see, it gives me the IP address right there. I don't know why it says Z. But then we'll come in here. We'll go ahead and we'll probably watch as it gets put in there. So it's almost done. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm going to click on it and see if it'll play. We don't have speakers on this, so it looks like it's playing. So that's cool. I can do that. But I need access to the big drives, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. Maybe this was a little bit easier than Open Media Vault, but now that I know this, maybe I can understand how Open Media Vault will work a little bit better. So anyway, guys, I got to go to bed, but I'm really happy I got this figured out. And nothing like being frustrated and you can't figure something out, and then finally you're like, oh, I did this wrong. So anyway, we got it.